Hello friends, welcome to PMH Learning. This video is about Lysozyme blood test. This test measures levels of lysozyme in the blood. Lysozyme is an enzyme which normally plays a role in the body's immune system. How the test is used? It's used for differential diagnosis of leukemia. So it's basically present in association with some cases of myelogenous leukemia and in most cases of monocytic leukemia. Results: normal range between 9.6 and 16.8 mg per liter for all age groups. Higher than normal levels are associated with some types of cancer cells, especially those in case of certain types of leukemia, kidney damage, other conditions such as tuberculosis and sarcoidosis. This was all. Thanks for watching.